Hey crypto friends, this is going to be one of the absolute craziest trades I've ever done in my entire life, and I am going to be doing it live in this video. I am going to absolutely ape into a random crypto chart with maximum leverage just because I can, and I simply want to see what happens. Now, if you guys are new here to this channel, I am Garrett, and I am a crypto day trader and your personal shortcut to making better trades in the crypto market. Hence, why I have over 50 plus no fluff videos here on trading education here in my technical analysis playlist here on my channel. Now, before we actually go ahead and dive into the video, for those of you who love trading crypto and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange here with the link in the video description down below this video. Alright guys, now this is going to be one risky as hell type of trade, alright? Which is why I'm only going to be risking $100 for this risky experiment. But we are going to take a look at the Blowfin exchange here, and we are going to see what is currently pumping and what we could potentially ape into here. So we will go into the trading section here and let's see what we've got going on here. All right, so we're going to go into the coins and we are going to go to the 24-hour percentage mark here, and we're just going to click through and see what coins are currently pumping right now. We've got SPK, which personally I've never even heard of before, but we got SPK here and it looks like it's up about 69% right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at that chart. And as we can clearly see here right now on the 1 hour chart, we've got my moving average right here, and we can currently see that, you know, currently right now price is currently retesting this moving average right here. As you can see right here, that happened also right back here. We came down, we retested the moving average, but we ended up going back upwards and continuing to stay bullish. Now, if that's going to happen here at this point in time in this video, I have no idea, but we're going to see. But let's go on to the 15-minute chart and see what's going on here. So on the 15-minute chart, you can see that we are currently trending below the moving average, which means there's some short-term bearish momentum going on here. And if we go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart, we are currently, looks like things are currently bearish on the short time frame charts here on the 5-minute chart. So let's just go ahead and ape into this thing and see what's going on here. See what happens. All right, so as you guys can clearly see, we've got leverage on this one. Let's see what the leverage goes up to on this one. It's only goes up to 75x. All right, that is absolutely insane. I've never used this kind of leverage before. Highest leverage I've typically ever used is roughly around about 20x or so, 25x or so. That's realistically about the highest I've ever gone, and even that was insanely risky. But that's why we are only entering this trade with $100. Very, very small amount, just to kind of see what happens here, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a market order. I've got it set to cross just in case, because I don't want to get liquidated instantly. And let's see what happens here. All right, so we are going to go ahead and enter this. Let's see here. It looks like things are starting to trend upwards a little bit here on the 5-minute chart. That's the other thing too, guys. When I am doing a challenge like this, I'm going to be trading the 5-minute charts because I want fast results and I want to see what happens in a very fast time period. So we're going to be trading the 5-minute chart here just to see what happens. All right, now there's two things that could happen here at this moving average. Either price action is going to go up to the moving average and it's going to reject the moving average and it's going to start coming back down once again and come down even further, or we're going to end up going up past it like we do here and here and here, and it's going to go up a little bit more. All right, so we're going to go ahead and wait and see what this 5-minute candle is going to do here real quick before I go ahead and just ape right into this. We'll go to the line chart here just to see what's going on. On the line chart, you can clearly see right in here that this is our current 1-minute high that we've got going on right here. I want to see price action go above this 1-minute high first to see if it's going to continue up higher or not. And it kind of looks like bullish momentum is starting to gain momentum and go a little bit higher. It's almost as if you know, people want the price to continue going higher. But obviously, if it ends up continuing to go downwards and goes downwards past the moving average here, that's going to tell me that I'm going to enter a short position there and try for, you know, to make some money on the downside. All right, so it's right now it's looking like obviously it's starting to point downwards. That is Yikes. All right, so we're going to go ahead and enter a position. So we've got $100 times 75. That's going to be $7,500. So we will go ahead and enter that, and we will go ahead and ape into the short order and see what the heck happens here, okay? Yeah, this is scary. I've never done this before. So let's go ahead and I guess see what happens. We will enter the short order and go. Order failed. The maximum available position amount is 100,000 coins. Oh, that's because, let's see here, 7,500. Why can't I do that? So $100 times 75. $100 times 75. Leverage, that's $7,500. I should be able to enter this position. 7,500. Sell short. Okay, that's weird. All right, we'll go ahead and enter 5,000 and see if I'm able to enter with 5,000 with that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and enter here and enter short. There we go. We are in this position. Now let's see what the heck happens here. All right. So as you guys can clearly see right now, we are currently starting to trend hopefully downwards, but we'll go ahead and see what happens here. I'm currently down by about 13% and my liquidation is 0.07, pretty much 0.08 cents. So we'll go ahead and see what happens here, I guess. But we'll go ahead and let this trade marinate for a bit. And I've got something to share with you guys real quick. So we will go ahead and take a quick pause. All right, everyone, quick pause here for a minute. If you guys are finding value in this video and you would like to dive deeper into the world of your trading skills, then come check out my crypto education, trading education Discord server. Inside this server, I post exclusive trade ideas, live breakdowns, or offer direct mentorship for those of you who are committed to growing as crypto traders. Now, whether you're just getting started or you are already trading actively, we have got plenty, and I mean plenty, as you can see here, we have got plenty of good stuff for you. And you can find the link to our server in the description below this video as well. All right, guys, so now that we're back into the trade, we can clearly see that the trade is starting to trend downward. All right, now, I typically always go for roughly 15% profits. As you guys can clearly see here, I'm way past that 15%. So I'm going to go ahead and close this position. We're at 65% now, 77. We're going to close it. And let's see what I made here overall. So as you guys can clearly see, I made a total of 63% profits right there on a 75x leverage trade. That was pretty nuts. And I made about $41 on that trade as well. So overall here, that ended up going pretty good, which I'm honestly kind of surprised about because that kind of stuff usually never happens to me, especially when I'm trying out random experiments like this. So that's pretty good in my opinion. Now guys, overall here, if you guys are trying to become consistently profitable traders, I would never ever recommend doing what I just tried in this video. And yes, I know that this shit is insanely risky, and I mean insanely risky, which is why I only risked $100 for it. But at the end of the day, I only did this little challenge for pure absolute fun, just to simply see what would happen. All right. And I will be doing a bunch more like this in the near future as well, just to see what happens as well, okay? So stay tuned for more mini challenges like this in the future. Now guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you enjoyed this video and you feel like you got some decent value out of it and you liked it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button below the video to help me out here. And with that said, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you.